Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in and welcome back to the channel. I'm Jason Wehrli with WCFab Side-by-Side, and today we've got some more Polaris RZR 1000 parts to show you. So what we've got for you today is our XP and S model 1000 2-seat or 4-seat 2-inch receiver hitch pull plate. So this does not fit the Pro or the Turbo model, and it does not fit 2024 or newer. This is for 2018 to 2023 XP and S 1000. So this is a bolt-on 2-inch receiver hitch. It uses the factory mounting hardware at your 4 radius rod locations. You simply take the nuts off, install the pull plate, and reinstall your hardware, and it's as simple as that. So we've got a couple things about our receiver hitch that we strategically designed, make it a little bit different than the competition, and a very strong, heavy-duty part. It is laser cut and CNC bent here in-house, and the mount plate at the machine is a full 1/4 inch thick. A lot of other plates on the market use 1/8 inch and 3/16 inch mounting plates, which is a much weaker component. And then we also have our gusset with the built-in holes for safety chains, and that is a 3/16 inch thick gusset. The tube itself is the properly sized wall thickness and internal ID to accept a 2-inch receiver hitch, just like you would have on a pickup truck. So here at WCFab, we actually manufacture a receiver hitch product line called Big Hitch Products, so we know a thing or two about building hitches and building hitches the right way. At the end of our receiver hitch, another item that sets us apart from the competition is our nice high-quality cast steel end cap. So a lot of other guys don't even install an end cap, or they put another piece of tube around the end and they look terrible. What we have is a nice cast component that goes over the end of the tube. This gives extra strength and rigidity to the tube so that it doesn't bend or deform. Another feature about our receiver hitch is the multi-directional hitch pin hole. So obviously a typical standard receiver hitch, you've got a horizontal 5/8 inch hitch pin hole. We've gone a step further and we've added a hitch pin hole 90 degrees from that in the vertical direction. If you're installing a hitch with a clevis, you can put that clevis in either direction. If you're stuck in something or you've got something else around the machine and you need to be able to install vertically instead of horizontally or vice versa, you have the ability to do that. Take your hitch, turn it sideways, or have it like the normal position horizontally. Another feature on ours is the hitch itself is the through tube is clear through on the back. Some are fully enclosed on the back side, and the problem with that is they get packed full of mud and debris, and when you go to install your hitch, it's very cumbersome because you got to clean it out. What we've done is kept the backside fully open except for the very top edge, about a 1/4 inch hanging down, so that you don't have to worry about installing your hitch too far and hitting anything in the back, and it also helps you line up that hitch pin hole a little easier. So last step is the powder coat process. We take great pride here at WCFab in our state-of-the-art powder coat facility, and one thing we do on all of our powder coat product for the side-by-side market is we install a zinc primer base coat before our top coat color. The zinc primer base coat gives you multiple times corrosion resistance, way better protection versus just a single coat of powder like a lot of other guys do. This one here, shown in our popular Velocity Blue to match the graphics on this machine. We also carry in stock, ready to ship, is flat black, Indy red, and ghost gray. So we can obviously powder coat any color you may like. So if you're doing a custom build and you want to do something special, feel free to reach out to our team. So this is a great upgrade for the weekend warrior, guy that uses his machine for trail riding for fun and also some work around the house or the farm. These receiver hitches are in stock, ready to ship. If you've got any questions about them, any comments, any suggestions, anything you'd like to see for the RZR platform, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to our sales team and we'd be happy to assist you. Thanks a lot for watching.